Rolling out is a great way to start the day. I would suggest a harder roller. This is actually cork, and it's harder than you might think. The harder rollers are more therapeutic. The other rollers are more for enjoyment purposes. But rolling out is a great way to start the day. It can help you be more flexible. It can get lymphatics, drainage moving through your body. It can help with sore muscles, get that lactic acid flushed out after a tough workout. Many different benefits. You don't need a fancy roller. You don't need a super long one. I love this little one because it's easy to travel with. It's easy to store. But there's tons of different rollers out there. You can get a rumble roller. You can get a vibrating roller. Tons of different rollers. You don't need a big fancy roller. All you need to do is set your day up for success by rolling out consistently. Make it part of your morning routine to get rolling every single morning. It could be for 5 minutes. It could be for 15 minutes. But whatever you do, start rolling in the morning.